Starting the day in a computery way. Everybody's gone to the computer. What's up, guys? This is Will Plays. I'm Will. We're playing Tron 2.0. I got to meet your boy Jet today. A fine young man. He aced the programming test and everybody seemed to like him. Didn't see a bit of that attitude problem you keep mentioning. I got a slot on the Space Paranoid 3D team that's a great for whatever. There's a lot of backstory about this main character I'm playing as right now, and I don't care about him because he looks like a football dropout. Okay, that's not why I don't care about him. That just happens to also be a fact about my character, who I actually haven't seen in a long time. So I don't know what he looks like. So I'm kind of talking out of my ass right now. I can't remember if Disney has acknowledged that this game was a sequel at some point, because they kind of have Tron Legacy now, which is like the other sequel.
Activation approaching.
So it's like, which sequel do you believe?
If you have packets to transport, you better hurry. The exit port is scheduled to go active soon.
That means something, I'm sure.
Port activated.
Okay, let's do this.
Illegal program detected in exit port sector. Quarantine protocol fields raised.
Is that me? Oh boy. Not a good thing. All I want to do is transfer my packets.
Additional quarantine protocol field raised.
I hear back, guys. Gotcha, gotcha. Ow.
Additional quarantine protocol.
These guys look so cool and manly until you hit them and then they're just like, ugh. Which is the sound I make whenever you hit me, but I'm not pretending to be manly over here. Unlike red-faced deep voice over here.
Station.
I don't want emails, jeez. Transfer is aborted. Oh, ow, hey. Alright, let's talk this over, people. We can all be friends. I'm not hiding.
Additional quarantine protocol
I see you.
raised.
Additional quarantine field. One was enough. I am no threat to you people. Well, that's not true. I'm killing all of you, but besides the fact that I'm killing all of you, I'm no threat to you people. Oh, look, a box. Oh, submask. Looks like an armor thing. Oh, jeez, yeah, stop it. Ah. Oh. It's like a deep voice version of the Great Lady. Virus scan, armor. Okay, I have to not have something. Okay, well, I don't really need silent running because I don't seem to be sneaking up on anyone. There we go. Good, I have body protection. Saving. Wish I could do that with the frisbee. Alright. How much more of this do I have to do? What am I even doing right now? I'm just making the light bulbs glow.
Quarantine protocol measures offline.
Okay. Quarantine failure.
Incompetent scripts. Find out where that port leads. Yes, Colonel.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't see anything from this position.
Uh-oh. Freeze,
Yeah.
program. The Colonel wants a word with you.
Football dropout. I was right. Vapor. I thought that said vaporwave. That is way later than this game.
Query index 224-C. Unauthorized use of resources. Program quarantine in connection to spreading virus. User unknown. State your origin.
Oh boy.
You're making a big mistake.
Mistake. Reveal your creation date before I disassemble your Code 1 operation at a time.
That sounds
Well,
sexual.
I was born in '82.
Impossible! You are much too complex to be from that period. You have been accused of spreading a viral agent through the system.
Always people call me
What is the
complex.
intended goal of this sabotage?
I'm not responsible for that virus.
There's a person.
Enough! Who is your user?
I am a user.
Blasphemy! Racist!
Blasphemy.
Wait, you can't do this. I'm a user. Find Mithria. I'm trying to help her.
I'm a user and an abuser. That's a butt.
Let the log files show prisoner refused to cooperate and is considered incompatible.
Don't call me
Scheduled for
incompatible.
immediate resolution.
Colonel, put him on the grid.
What?
The grid. Interesting proposition.
I guarantee it'll be a race you won't forget.
Okay.
Take them to the staging pit.
I'm game. Oh, I have entered a new system with different memory requirements. So different levels make you, like, allocate your upgrade stuff in different ways, so that's kind of cool. Need that. Need that. What else? Oh, need this. And... what? Who cares? Crap, that's not... Now there's one less space and I can't use my fuzzy signature, which I don't need anyway. We're fine. Everything's fine. Okay. We're gonna play light cycles. Ooh, I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this.
Cody, Skate, and Jet, prepare to enter Grid Arena 1.
I'm king of the world! This is how I want my house to look when I buy a house. I want it to look like a red and orange and gray. Like arcade from the 80s. Or like a laser tag.
Here's your rod primitive. Once on the grid, activate it to res in your light cycle.
Okay. What is this? What is anything right now? We seem to be in some sort of computer. That's all I have.
To learn how to operate a light cycle, please enter the data stream. Wait while I open the port.
It's a cool visor, baby. Do they make it in men's sizes? Ah. Come on. Alright. I'm ready. This is called Tron, baby. Look at this. Cool.
First, the basics. Light cycles travel at a default speed and cannot be stopped. To steer your light cycle, use the right and left slave keys.
Whee!
To accelerate,
I'm drawing a penis, you just can't see it. This is the hair.
Returns the speed back to default speed.
This is the shaft. This is more hair.
Accelerate, press and hold.
I can't draw, okay? Oh god, no!
Turns the speed back to default speed.
Yeah, I know. Shush. That is very not cool looking.
First,
Well, it actually is very cool looking, but like Tron Legacy had these cool light cycles, and this one's kind of like a stapler with wheels.
To steer your light cycle, use the right and left strafe keys.
All right, I'm good. I know how to do it. I'm back. Miss me?
Program scheduled for grid competition are to enter light cycle arena immediately.
His neck just twisted like an owl. Race, you say? Oh, his name is Dogberry. My name is Dogberry. Yes. You wish to start the race, yes? Right this way, then.
Enter the data stream to start the race.
Enter the data stream, yes. Alright, let's do it. Training program.
Shield break acquired. Shield break!
Okay. Got it! Ah! Enter the exit ring to end the training. This isn't the ending. This isn't the training program anymore, right? Good, I won. Very good. Very good job. I feel like it didn't do much, but alright.
Programs Jet, Sim, Frog, and Crom prepare to enter Grid Arena 2.
Are you gonna wager or what?
Huh?
Come on, I can't make up my mind.
Hey. Max Dodd. Cool hair. It's like the Guy Fieri of cyberspace. Ooh. Which is something I never want to see. Okay. Enter the exit ring to end training program. I have a feeling my game is bugged. A little bit. Just a little bit.
Hey, program, do you
What?
have any insight on which racer will win the next heat?
I'm the blue one, right?
definitely the blue racer.
Yeah.
Sound pretty confident.
I do? I don't think my voice actor has any emotion.
The two racers, and what a round this has been. Okay, red is hugging the wall, blue is doing the same. They're hurtling for each other at top speed. Only one will come out of this victorious. My friends, this is light cycle racing at its finest. Red banks, red, blue wins.
Yay!
Race.
I won.
Good call, program.
Thanks.
You did real good out there.
Thanks.
Properly equipped, I'm betting you can go the distance. Take this permission and access the security lockers. I think you'll like what you find in there. I've got a lot riding on you, program.
Okay, whenever somebody says, I think you'll like what you find in the lockers, it's usually not the best thing. Just saying. I'm one step ahead of you. Great. If you want to read that, you can go ahead and pause, right? Because I don't really care about them. There's no, like, vital information that changes things. Got it. Super light cycle rod. Okay. Let's do it, let's do it. Oh, I have a super bike now. That's cool. Meow. What the fuck? Oh, crap. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Oh, smooth. I think I pissed myself a little bit.
Too close.
Alright, what else am I trying to do right now? Come on. Fight me. Fight me in real life right now. Oh, Jesus. Blah. I'm fine. Everything's fine. I won. Alright, this is just ridiculous, but I love it. Good job, me.
Programs Land, Jet, 2D, and Mercury. Prepare to enter Grid Arena 3.
Yeah.
For the record, you have a 1.19 e to the -7 chance of winning. Mercury has never been defeated.
That is the most sense I've ever heard somebody make. I feel like I need to enter the exit ring to end the training program. Am I right? Should I be doing that? Can I do this? Alright.
Programs scheduled for grid competition are to enter Light Cycle Arena.
Pushing past the door.
In this double elimination match, Jet and Land are squaring off on one side of the arena, while Mercury and 2D are on the other side. The winners will meet in the middle to decide the ultimate victor.
I'm scared.
Wait, what is Mercury doing?
Shit.
She's gone crazy!
I can't tell what she's doing because I'm dead.
One of the observation towers is collapsing! Now she's...
What the...
Jet,
What's happening?
Say, don't ask questions. Hurry, and make your way to the far side of the grid arena. Leave the arena by using the ramp made of debris. Do it now.
What? I wish I knew what she was talking about. Ooh, I beat somebody.
Shield break!
Whee! Into the exit ring. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Meow! That's not right. Wow. That's a pair of tits. Very weirdly sexualized computer program.
Mercury.
Definitely LimeWire.
Yes, I am. Then you're not half bad on the grid.
Thanks.
I heard you mention Mathria. My user sent me to help her.
Who's your user?
I don't know. Goes by the name of Guest. We should get out of here.
How did
So
you
it's
know I
Guest.
could hold my own out there?
I didn't.
They didn't. Ooh. This is how flirting works in the computer world.
There is something special about you.
Don't call me
Come
that.
with me. I want to show you something.
In the locker rooms?
It's a little trick I learned that may come in handy.
I am weirdly attracted to the software. Yeah. Tron 2.0 is a freaking fun game. I'm just gonna say it right now. For the 1000th time. It's a fun game. Here we go.